What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's staying positive and definitely staying productive. I want to speak to you guys about food, healthy food, and a massive problem that I see with a lot of the people. I review tons of diets every single day. People are sending me their nutrition plans for me to assess and do their onboarding consultation with them face to face, clinically, or online, on a video call, and I see the foods that they're eating. These are the people, and I'm sure many of you out there can relate to this. I'm eating healthy and I'm exercising, I'm moving more. These are the people that are actually trying to make changes that fall victim into this trap that I want to speak about in this episode. And it's that healthy food will make you fat. Healthy food will make you fat, and healthy food will hinder your weight loss goals. Now, I've spoken about this before. Whole foods, 110%, are 10 times better than processed foods. And if you took two people with the same lifestyle, same genetics, they did the same workouts, they slept the same, all the variables were the same, and one person was eating 300 or 400 calories less than the other person, but they were eating, say, junk food, Snickers bars and M&Ms and cupcakes all day. And the other person was eating whole foods. They had more calories, but they were eating fish and poultry and meat and eggs, protein whey, and they were eating potatoes and rice and oats, whole grain pastas, fruits and vegetables. This person, after a few months and half a year and 1 year, would have a lot more muscle, be leaner, be fitter, be healthier, look better, act better, have better skin, better hair, better sex life, better hormones, better menstrual cycle if it was a female. Because whole foods have micronutrients inside of it that do wonders for the body that it needs, and processed food is just empty calories, which leaves the body depleted. And when the body's depleted, it's going to do the minimal amount of work that it can do to survive, and a lot of the normal functions that you need to live good and feel good are going to be hindered. Okay, but I see people, as I said in the beginning, trying to lose weight and change their health. They've got bad blood markers from the doctor. They don't feel good. They've had a long string of being sick often. And they're trying to get healthier for different reasons. And they start moving more. They start doing a couple workouts. They start joining some classes, taking some walks, and they start eating healthy. They actually start searching for healthy foods. And they start going for the sugar-free and the gluten-free and the fat-free, and they're memorizing all these posts and reels and stuff they read about on magazines and heard on the news every day about healthy fats and healthy foods and superfoods. In the end, they're eating way more calories, not just a couple, not 50, not 100, not even 200. They're like 500, 600, 700 calories over what their body needs at the moment for the amount of activity that they have and how much muscle tissue their body is holding. Because 90% of these foods that you hear about that are superfoods, that have these amazing essential fats and have these very, very important micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals inside of them, are high in fat. And fat is 9 to 10 calories per gram, and carbohydrates and protein are 4 calories per gram. So every meal has its chia seeds and almond butters and natural peanut butters and whole eggs and organic salmon and organic cod and coconut oil and olive oil and their nuts and their chia seeds and all these things, which is massive amounts of calories. And they're not getting any progress. They feel good, they're healthier for sure because they're eating better, but they're not losing any weight. So be diligent, learn what your overall calories are. Track your food. Track your food for 3, 4, 5 days with a free calorie calculator, okay? And get an idea, what's your daily intake like? Then get high protein in your diet, all right? Get high protein in your diet. Try to match 1 gram per pound of goal weight, okay? And you can minus that by, like, say 20, because not all of you is muscle tissue, especially if you're a beginner. And then with the rest of the calories that's left over, okay, you can divide that into fats and carbohydrates depending on your needs and depending on what type of food you like to eat. From there, you can see I like a lot of the stuff that's fatty. I like the butters, I like the nuts, I like the avocados, I like these oils, but I'm still hungry at the end of the day. My calories are maxed out, but I need more food. So that's when you got to be smart. That's when you got to pull back on those fats and put in some more carbs, because a potato for 200 calories is going to fill you up a lot more than a tablespoon and a half of olive oil for 200 calories. You get it? This is a common problem. There's a lot of people that are trying to lose weight, trying to change their health, and they're not losing fat because of the rhetoric that they've heard of these superfoods and what should be eaten and what's good for them. And a lot of this stuff is high in fat. And a lot of the products that they're buying, unwillingly, they don't understand what's in there. Okay. So it might say it's gluten free, but it's pumped with other stuff inside of there for the flavor or for the texture, and the calories are high. And the same thing goes for the sugar free. It might be sugar free, and instead of having 4 grams of sugar, it's got 12, 15, 20 grams of some sort of homogenized oil used in there for fat. Okay. 20 multiplied by 10 is 200 calories. If it would have had 4 grams of sugar, it would have been 20 calories. So there's a big difference there. Okay. That's like 25, 30 more minutes of walking that person's got to do to burn off that little bit because it's sugar free. So learn your nutrition. It's not as difficult as it seems from the outside if you're a beginner. Okay. Get online, get a video program, get a book, hire a coach, hire a mentor, get somebody to be able to teach you along the path of how you can be able to eat and enjoy your tasty foods. Put in your treats here and there so you don't cause inflammation or run down your system, but you can stay sane. Okay. You got to still be able to go out on dates and eat with the family, eat with the kids, enjoy yourself on a holiday and find that balance. And you'll be able to, in the long run, increase your metabolism after you get some fat off of you by hopefully resistance training and gaining some muscle. And you will be able to enjoy and reap the rewards of feeling healthy and looking good at the same time, but not be beating your head against the wall. Okay. It's common. I have a lot of people, and it's frustrating because they've tried on their own. They've been spending weeks and even months buying foods, buying snacks, getting meal plans, remembering all the stuff that they read about, the superfoods and the nutrition, and they're eating everything to what they think they should be doing, but they're not getting any results. So if this sounds familiar to you, like you're maybe dieting per se, and you're not getting results, this is something you want to take a look at. Look at your macros, look at your calories, and look at your foods and see where you can make adjustments to be able to stay full, stay healthy, and still be able to make progress and lose fat. If you need any help, you can reach out to me and we can talk on the phone and see if I can help you out with your goal. And if you want to get into the gym, if you want to lose some weight, build some muscle, I've got a free program for the men, a free program for the women. Just shoot me a DM or an email and I will send you a program with some stretching information, some breathing information, nutrition information on there, stress management. It's got videos in there. You don't ever have to speak to me again. You can learn it all on your own just to get your feet wet. I want all you guys to get healthy. And maybe you're not ready to invest into a coach or nutritionist or a mentor or even a gym membership. You guys can get that for free. Stay good to yourself, stay true to yourself, let nothing and nobody get in the way of the life that you want to live. See you guys next time.